Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you change font style on iPhone. So let's start up the process. Here you can see settings icon on home screen of your phone. To start up the process, tap on this icon. Now after opening settings, scroll down. Now here you can see option general. Tap on this option. Scroll down. Here you can see option fonts. Tap on this option. Now here you can see two options. Tap on first option, system fonts. Now from here you can select any font. If you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.